lately I've been noticing that some of the videos on YouTube, as well as this drone here, has been demonstrating a wave going through the video. And it's caused from an oscillation between the four motors and setting up a vibration that's causing the camera to put a wave through the video. Now there's four things to check. The first thing we want to do is take the C-clip off. So with an ice pick, go right into the back side of the C-clip and just snap it. Just turn it like that, and it pops out. So, and then you want to take the C-clip and put it someplace safe so that you won't lose it. The next thing you want to do is pull off the prop, then take the axle assembly out, release the gear, put those all down, and then we want to check this pin to make sure that it's straight. So we roll it on the table or a very flat surface to make sure that it rolls straight and doesn't wobble, because this could be one of the reasons that you're getting vibration in your video. So we can see that this pin rolls straight. So the axle assembly is good. The next thing you want to do is you want to check the gear assembly. So you inspect all the teeth in the gear, go around and take a close look and make sure that there's no burrs that are causing a vibration between the drive gear and the pinion gear over here. You want to do the same thing for the pinion gear. You want to go around and make sure that there's no burrs on the pinion gear. If there are any burrs, you can use an X-Acto knife to kind of notch out the burr and get it out of there. But you can actually cut the burr out with an X-Acto knife without buying a brand new gear. The last thing that you want to do is check the balance of the prop itself, because this could set up an oscillation between the other props that would cause your video to have waves in it. So you put the axle through the prop, and you spin the prop. We want to make sure that it spins smoothly. This one is not spinning very smoothly. Let me try a different axle. This is a brand new axle, and it's even tighter. So there's a very close interference fit between the prop and the axle. So I'm thinking, if this is a new pin, that the prop might be damaged somehow. So let's get a new prop. Okay, here's the props, and they cost about $12. And we'll just open the prop up. Now, one thing to remember is that these props are not all the same. These props have a designated letter right here. And this one is a C prop. So you have to get a complete set of new props and then look for the C prop. They have an A prop. These two are A props, and these two are C props. So you want to make sure that you get the right prop. So take a brand new C prop, put it on the old axle, and lo and behold, it does spin. there seems to be a heavy end right here. So what we want to do is we take the heavy end, we get a pair of snips, and we want to trim off some of the weight. So just take a sliver off. And you just keep snipping until you find a balancing point that you're happy with. Something that this looks like it's pretty good. Doesn't have a heavy end. Then to reassemble, just put the pin in, the drive gear goes next with the pinion gear. Take the prop, make sure that the prop half moon in the center is lining up with the half moon on the gear. So then it just drops right into place. So hold the axle up, take the prop, and just drop it right into place like that. So the half moons line up. Then come back, get your C-clip, put the C-clip on the end of needle nose pliers, and then drive the C-clip into the groove on the axle, like that. To make sure that the C-clip is fully closing, gently squeeze the C-clip all the way around to make sure that it's fully closed and deep-seated into the groove. And with that, you should be good to go with no more vibration in your video. And happy flying. Thanks for watching.